So here we are, week 2 of our project. Let's take a walk and see what's going on here and what we have planned for the future of this second level 2-story build. So guys just trimmed that tree back. Why? That's a twisted juniper. Love the tree. Why did they trim it? Well, we're coming up with a second level Romeo Juliet deck, which will be the deck for the master. Now, once you're up there, you actually have ocean views over there. So definitely worth doing that deck, having that new master suite that we'll be doing up above. We walk inside here, this door, we're gonna raise this door up, raise the header, and make this a multi-panel opening door, open up the whole kitchen indoor to outdoor. And then what we have here is new kitchen, new island. We did away with this post. We're gonna put a steel beam all the way across to support that upper level structure. We're gonna have a massive point load right here on a 6x6, and then another one across over there. We have our temporary shoring up for this little roof section, and these will be cut back. We have our guy who undid the gas, so that's safe. No more gas inside for now. And we'll go over here. We have another point load. This will be a post, but this post will be exposed. We'll raise that beam up into the ceiling, and then we'll have a beam going across up in the ceiling. So everything will now be recessed, including this beam. This will now be recessed as well, and that'll go to a point load right there. And then we'll have our stairway, and part of the stairway will be open. And then that roof deck will remain, but we'll change the direction of it. So you can see right now, it's angled that way. We're gonna change it to angle that way. So that'll be a nice change. Spiral stairway will go away. Up above me will be the master bathroom. Then we have an office. And then we have the master bedroom with a master closet. So it's over 700 square foot of added space. That's quite a lot. Things are moving along. It was a lot of demo, a lot more demo than I even thought. Now here, this wall, we decided, let's demo this. Why? We don't want to do a 2x4 wall here and then have a hinge plate in a stairwell. We want to balloon frame the wall in a stairwell because it's going up 2 levels. So we want to do 2x6, 20 footers. So we opted to just demo that whole wall there. We'll redo the shear, take down that stairway, and then that'll enable us to go all the way up. And we have Ricky here mitigating our wire. We had the gas, he already took it off, but what we're trying to do is cut the wires, find their source, and then take it from there so they're out of the way. Looking good. So now I'm gonna crawl up the spiral stairway here. We're gonna look on this roof deck. We're gonna see what the future holds. Ooh, not very steady, is it?
Careful up there.
All right, so here we are. This will be the future. This will be our future second level edition.